Hello all, welcome to this weekly index analysis. So as we discussed last week that Nifty was showing signs of pause and it is showing signs of reversal. This is what we discussed last week. So this week, I think market has fared pretty well. It has sustained at the same levels. In fact, it has also given more better candle than last week. Can also think of this as a hammer on the weekly time frame, which is very powerful when it comes to reversal signals. So what happened in the course of week is simple price logic is this was previous week. So price broke through this weekly low during the course of the week, and then it came back inside and closed inside the previous weekly range. So what this essentially means is there is some rejection which the price is facing below the previous weekly low. So there is some demand which is emanating at this level. So that is what the price logic it is hinting through the candlestick appearance. So this for this reversal to ultimately get confirmed, it has to cross the the previous weekly high. So just like how the price showed its reversal from the bottom, it also has to confirm the same by crossing the previous weekly high. So once it crosses the previous weekly high, I think it's pretty sure that the uh, trend will again resume on the upside. But aggressive buy has already happened at the lower levels. That's what the chart is hinting at. And when you look at that's the weekly outlook for Nifty this week. So the reversal signs are getting stronger. So whenever this happens at the 20 SMA also, right, we can see that at 20 SMA, whenever this has happened, it's a good reversal signal. And just try to observe the chart that Nifty, whenever it goes below the 20 SMA, it tries to come back pretty soon. So this time it has not even went below, right? So it is still hovering above that on the weekly time frame. And whenever it tries to go below it, so it spends a lot of time below that. Like for example, here it was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 weeks, and then this was the first sign of the 10th week gave the reversal signals in the form of a bullish engulfing. So that's how a Nifty generally fares above or below the 20 SMA. So again, I'm trying to see this scenario playing out here unless it breaks the this week's low. So that's the weekly look for Nifty. Looking at Bank Nifty is also showing similar signs, right? As you can see that the candle formation is almost similar. Maybe Nifty's candle, you can say, is more stronger. Bank Nifty is still narrower compared to the Nifty's one, but nevertheless, the logic and the price behavior is the same, because Bank Nifty also for a moment it went below the previous weekly low and then it came back and closed inside the same range. So the logical part of it is still the same. So once Bank Nifty takes out the previous weekly high, then we are heading towards the test of ATH and perhaps a new ATH. So that's what the charts are currently hinting at, showing some signs of strength. And one more particular index which we can see this week is the S&P 500. So S&P 500 gave a good bounce yesterday. You can see that at the SMAs, it I mean, this week it has formed a double. We call it as a tweezer pattern sometimes, right? It's a double hammer, we call it, or double tweezer, we can call it. So this is also a sign of reversal happening at the bottom, something like this. You can see here that two back-to-back similar candlestick formations lead to some kind of reversal in the index. So that's how the candlesticks themselves, but there's not a confirmation. Confirmation is when it crosses and sustains above the high. So that is the when the confirmation starts. S&P 500 also has shown the same thing. It broke the previous weekly low and somehow it came back and closed above it. So that's the rejection part of it from the bottom. Again, for it strength to be confirmed, it has to cross the highs. So always crossing the previous high signifies strength, and holding the lows, confirms that yes, there is demand, but is the demand high or not, that is confirmed when the price crosses the previous swing high. So that, I mean, that's when the fresh buyers and the things like that play out. So that is about S&P 500. And one interesting stock which we can discuss this week is Bajaj Finance. Again, not a recommendation, just on for the study purpose. On the charts, you can see that Bajaj Finance on the weekly was consolidating for almost 2 years. This multi-bagger from the past, a major heavyweight, was consolidating in this tight range for, as you can see, I mean, this range for almost 2 years. You can see here that from September 21, right? So to now it was consolidating. Yesterday it has hit a new 52-week high, and if you have to mark the earlier reversal point, you can consider this one, right? So this was the week where it finally got rejected, again confirming the same here, and again confirming it somewhere here. But this week, it has broken through this level with very good volumes also. So Bajaj Finance, again, it is one of the leaders of the market, you can say, Nifty 50. So it has crossed the its weekly highs, which was prevailing from past 2 years, and it has shown strengths of going upward. So this is one strong counter. Again, one of the strong stocks which we can always use to see the market strength, right? So this is about Bajaj Finance, and yeah, that's it. That's it for today's this week's weekly outlook. So hope it was helpful. Thank you.